Race number 5. Away they go. Dugo. Anak Papato. Fast to begin, followed by American ruler Mike Some Lady. Make no mistake, moving up Danori inside, then comes Pilyo. And Dugo's Charm back to the front runner, Dugo. Anak Papato by a length and a half, followed by Make no mistake in second. American ruler alongside third, rushing up now is Pilyo. And on the outside, Dugo's Charm, Mike Some Lady. And rounding the far turn, Dugo. Anak Papato by a length and a half, American ruler. Once again by the rallies, make no mistake, Pilyo and Dugo's Charm, Mike Some Lady. As they race the last 500, Dugo, Anak Papato, American ruler. Make no mistake, Danori inside, and Pilyo. American ruler, Dugo, Anak Papato. Make no mistake, chooses to run from the outside, and Pilyo. American ruler by about 2 lengths, followed by Dugo, Anak Papato, Pilyo. And nearing the finish line, American ruler, Pilyo. Make no mistake, Dugo, Anak Papato, Mike Some Lady, and Dugo's Charm.